I've been exploring Expedia app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Expedia app. First, let's talk about what the Expedia app actually offers. Expedia is an all-in-one travel planner where you can search and book flights, hotels, holiday packages, rental cars, and activities in a single place. The idea is simple. Instead of juggling multiple websites, you manage your whole trip inside one app, from discovery and inspiration to booking and checking in. It supports a huge range of stays, from basic budget hotels to luxury resorts and vacation rentals, and you can filter for things like pools, free Wi-Fi, airport shuttles, pet-friendly options, and more. On top of that, you get verified reviews, destination tips, and the ability to keep all your reservations and trip details together, with alerts for things like flight delays and gate changes. Now, let's discuss the rewards and member perks. Expedia uses a program called One Key, where you earn rewards on eligible hotels, rentals, activities, and even flights, and you can stack those with airline miles on flights. Members get instant discounts, like at least 10% off on many hotels, and even bigger savings when you bundle a hotel with your flight. As you move up tiers, you can unlock extras such as room upgrades at select properties, which is genuinely useful if you travel a few times a year. The app also supports wallet for passes and makes cancellation fairly flexible on many hotels, though you still need to watch the fine print because some places require more than 24 hours notice. Of course, it's not perfect. The app is large in size, over 500 megabytes, so it is quite heavy on storage, especially if your phone is already packed with apps. Data collection is also extensive. Purchases, location, financial info, identifiers, and usage data are all tracked and linked to your profile, which might be a deal breaker if you care a lot about privacy. And while the overall rating is very high at 4.8 out of 5 from millions of reviews, that still leaves a small but real group of users who have had issues with bookings, payments, or customer support. So if you are okay with data sharing, what you get in return is a powerful, polished travel tool that makes planning and managing trips noticeably easier. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.